1, 2, 3. Ay, shucks. Day 3. Ay, oh. Magpapalit kami ng room. Kaya nag-iipake na kami. Tapos
Walang ganap kagabi guys. Tulog na tulog.
oo. Tulog kami kagabi. Bagsak as in tap out ako. Pagdating ko dito, tanggal na akong pilik mata. Tapos contact lens. May makeup pa ako. Tulog na ako. Tapos wala na. Tuloy-tuloy na. Dapat kasi lalabas kami ng 10. Kaya lang hindi na kami. Wala na. Hindi na kaya. At least, well rested tayo. Parang yung gising namin kasi normal na, ano na kayo, mga 9 a.m. na ako na. Brothers and Daughters, which is like the Noho na bigger place. Malapit lang din sa Cats Lily. Yeah, baby. Okay, so, baby. Tumatawid kasi kami. Dito pa naman, pwede ka naman tumawid kahit naka-stop. Basta walang sasakyan. Pero pag hindi, malakas sa kasama. Nandito ako sa isang buong store na just art materials. And sobrang laki niya. Oh my God! Oh my God! Art stack! Oh, intense! This is Glossy's flagship store. Nandito yung kanilang cloud paint, which we will get. Kukuha tayo ng balm.com kasi mukhang okay tong lip balm. I think gaga tayo ng Glossy Haul. You have the liners. Wow. Mukhang may magagawa tayong damage. So I'm ordering this Storm, the cloud paint, and the balm.com, the cherry one. And all you have to do is ask someone so lovely as her. Okay, wait, hold on. You need to put some
First last name and an email if you want.
Okay, so we have to key in some details and then just, I think, just give her the payment. Oh my goodness, doon, ang galing oh. To deliver yung products. I think, name ko na yan. And,
Raiza.
that's me. Thank you. You too. Oh, diba? Yung pangalan mo, dineliver fresh from the Glossy factory. Tapos, ayun yung mga products inside. We're having dinner at Mineta Tavern, which is known for their steaks and burgers. It's also 1 Michelin star. Hindi nga tayo pinikaw.
Running ka, girl. Running ako siyas.
First time namin magsabi na kami dalawa lang. Tatry namin pumunta. Dito na tabi. Tatry namin pumunta sa Greenwich Village. Itong Chelsea Market, nakita lang namin nung pauwi kami. Actually, hindi namin alam kung ano nandito, pero sige, check na natin.
Madami nagsasabi na pumunta
Pumunta
daw
sa Chelsea
kami.
Market, oo. Parang medyo mall na kakaiba.
Ano meron dito?
Bilihan. Gusto mo ba mamayang gabi?
Oh.
Subukan natin to. Ay, ito rin oh, may mascot. Hindi ko pa napasok. Oh.
Meron silang parang buffet doon, puro healthy food.
Tayo ay mag-dinner sa Panda Express dahil sobrang kawawa. Gutom na sa rice itong isang ito. Parang
Rice.
buti yung Panda Express dito. Sobrang ano na.
Ay, let's go.
Chillax na siya. Hindi na siya mapila. For here, please. Yes. You have root beer? What's up, Panda Express, New York? I miss rice. Yes.
Para sa'yo.
So good.
Sobrang kaya na sobrang nahilig ako kay Jessie.
Bakit?
Sobrang
Ang arte.
cowboy, cowgirl.
Exciting part ng ano namin. Parang ano to? Last hurrah.
Yes,
Tigil.
because I'm leaving.
Anong gagawin natin? Broadway bitchy!
Lion King! Ay, and by the way guys, tip, para mas mura kasi online it's 10,000 pesos.
Shucks.
Nabili namin siya ng 5,000. Pumunta kayo sa Red,
Red
Stairs
Stairs.
Times Square.
Doon bumili ng ticket.
Around 3 to 4 o'clock.
$99 namin nakuha ang
Yes.
Lion King. Oh my God.
99 is, magkano? 5,000.
5,000. Quick room change lang. Lumipat kami sa isang room which is bigger. Isa na yung kama, king bed, pero okay lang. And then may sofa, which is the official room na namin for Avon's event dahil today is somewhat the start, yung parang assembly lang of people from all over the world. Tari all over the world. Akala mo ASEAN Summit. Para dito sa ating Avon Skincare Summit, may mga nakita na rin kami sa baba. And siguro ngayon, nagsisettle in lang yung mga tao. And then tomorrow na yung mismong event. So for now,
7:30.
Oo, 7:30 yung call time namin. For now, nag-ayos lang kami. Ako papalitan ko kasi itong kailangan talaga sobrang comfortable mo dito sa New York. Lalo na pag itong winter. Ang bigat ng pakiramdam kapag ang dami mong... Kasi bundled up ka masyado. Parang nakakapagod gumalaw. Ayun yung dream job namin ni Angel, maging dog walker. At saka sabi nila not bad yung kinikita mo because parang around like $15 to $20 per hour per dog. So not bad. Tapos ang gagawin mo lang is just like walk, entertain them. Eh kung dog lover ka, oh my God, that's the job.
That's the dream.
Dream job. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Oh my God, nandito na kami sa Jersey. We're out of New York dahil naghanap kami ng Filipino food. Naghanap ng sinigang si ate girl. Nahanap namin itong restaurant na to. It's called Mama Fina's. Meron din siya sa New York pero we decided to just drive down here. Yeah, down here. Para lang maka-explore naman ng different view. Oh, ito nga. Ito, nasa ba yun? Mama Fina's House of Sisig. Woot! Aray ko. Ang bibigat ng pinto. Hello. Subukan na natin ang in-order namin. May bulalo, may sinigang, may kaldereta, at saka merong sisig. Sisig yung kilala dito sa Mama Fina's. Tapos pork sisig yung ginawa namin dito specific. Tapos nakakatawa first time na makakita ng sinigang na may carrots at cabbage. Okay na rin, hayaan na natin. Pasado naman na. Siguro dahil syempre, local ingredients, mahirap makuha. I mean, yung original ingredients na kangkong, labano, siguro hindi siya readily available dito. Yung bulalo din, okay din. Kaya, ayan, try natin to. I mean, ano sinigang? Basta the fact lang, makapag-Filipino food kami, okay na. Meron tayong damage, nakabili tayo ng mga stuff. Nabili ko yung mini James Charles. Tapos mga products na wala sa Pilipinas, so obviously. Tapos pinili ko yung parang influencer, like yung powder ni Jaclyn Hill, which looks amazing and surprisingly okay yung highlighters niya. Really nice. Tapos, P. Louise na base. And then, brushes from Morphe. And I think that's it. So, hopefully, okay siya gamitin. Kasi,
I think damage natin ay, hold on. Damage natin ay $91. Quick update lang, hindi na ako masyado makakapag-vlog dahil tourist mode na ako. So, sobrang sorry, sobrang gano'n na lang yung mga clips ko all throughout the trip. Anyway, I am with my best friend. Galing pa sila sa Chicago, pero they flew in here sa New York para makabisita rin sila. This is Vince. May vlog siya. Go ahead and check it out.
Thank you.
Ang sarap, no? Yung gyoza. Grabe, guys. Oh my God. Ang sarap. Yung ramen naman. Sa ramen, super yum na pork.
Next order, please.
Here, I'm gonna half it. I'm gonna half it in half. Ano ba? Ano English? Half it in half. Here. Here you go. I love ice cream na ako. This is so heavenly. Hindi ko na talaga na-update masyado yung vlog. But it's good. I'm having a good time here. And talagang parang mas focused ako on like really going around meeting friends. Pero sige, I'm gonna update you today. This is my... Nalagay ko na lang kung pang ilang araw ko na ngayon. I just went outside real quick before we head over to hop on, hop off tour dito sa New York. So kinita ko na yung dalawa kong best friends. They're from Chicago. They flew in all the way from Chicago dito sa New York to spend a few days here with me. And we will go from New York to Washington to Boston. We'll try na mag-interstate visit. So right now, tulog pa yata sila. Lumabas muna ako. And nandito ako sa restaurant na Tracks. I'm just having breakfast. So mayroon tayo ditong soup in a bread bowl. And then umorder din ako ng shepherd's pie. So let's go try it out. Ito yung start ng hop on, hop off. So, basically, okay. So, sa hop on, hop off pala, may mga different spots or stops. Papakita na natin sa driver, no? Let's see.
Oh my God.
Yeah, what you know about that? What you know about that? Go and grab a bag on a shopping spree now. Throw it in the bag, ain't no stopping me now. I want it, I got it. Big banking, my pocket, my inner is deeper. I'm rich, yeah, I got it. Walking like I'm fly, can't touch me, I'm too high. Floating in the sky, floating in the sky. Walking like I'm high, can't touch me, I'm too high. Floating in the sky.
Finally, dinner. Dito kami sa restaurant called Feliz. Here along or malapit siya dito sa Wall Street. Siyang fine dining restaurant. So excited. I'm having the carbonara. Tapos, gnocchi at saka, ano ito, linguine de mare? Linguine de mare. So it's like seafood linguine, gnocchi with truffle gnocchi. Tapos sa akin, carbonara. Legit carbonara with pancetta at saka parmigiano and eggs. At saka, no, 24. It's an aged parmigiano. So exciting.
Yeah, I'm floating in the sky on my Mars, on my Jupiter. Out of this world, not your ordinary girl.